Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Now let's discuss a useful tool. Jeep Wrangler's look with our cutting-edge front grille design, expertly crafted to make your ride stand out. This innovative grille seamlessly replaces your original without any drilling or cutting, perfectly aligning with the existing installation points and cutting openings. Featuring an integrated LED light bar, it offers 3 distinct modes: daytime running lights, turn signals, and hazard indicators to enhance both safety and style. The matte black finish not only exudes a sleek modern vibe, but also invites personalized custom spray paint accents to match your unique taste. Constructed from premium ABS material, this grille delivers exceptional durability, impact resistance, and efficient heat dissipation, thanks to its hollow design. Transform your Jeep into a cool, one-of-a-kind statement on the road. Experience next-level lighting with innovative app-controlled rock lights, designed to transform your ride's style and functionality. Fully compatible with both iPhone and Android, these lights offer a suite of customizable features including timing, music mode, flashing, and automatic control, all at your fingertips. Crafted for durability, they boast a rock-solid die-cast aluminum housing with toughened glass that delivers a brilliant 500 lumens flood beam and an impressive 50,000-hour lifespan. Engineered to thrive in any environment, these lights are waterproof, shockproof, dustproof, and rustproof. Universally designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, making them ideal for off-road adventures. Inject a new level of fun and functionality into your drive with our innovative wireless CarPlay adapter. This versatile device offers 3 distinct modes: convert your wired CarPlay to wireless, switch to a wireless Android car system, or use it as a wired Android car adapter, ensuring compatibility with your vehicle, no matter what system you're using. Not only does it preserve full CarPlay functionality, delivering seamless access to navigation, music playback, Siri, and more, but it also boasts a high-performance chip, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.3 for smooth, uninterrupted performance. With its plug-and-play design, installation is a breeze, and its sleek, compact design fits effortlessly in your pocket or bag. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to a cleaner, safer, and more enjoyable driving experience. Experience top-notch diagnostics with the MP69040 car scanner, a leading OBD2 tool designed for optimal vehicle care. This versatile scanner reads and clears codes, deactivates the check engine light, displays live data, checks IM readiness, inspects freeze frame data, retrieves your VIN, tests battery voltage, runs O2 sensor tests, and performs onboard monitoring. Unlike budget models with 3,000, 10,000 DTCs, the MP69040 has over 100,000 built-in diagnostic trouble codes, easily uncovering hidden manufacturer-specific codes. It displays real-time sensor data in text and graphical formats for monitoring key metrics and has dedicated keys for quick access to readiness status, trouble codes, and live data. With 10 languages and lifetime updates via Type-C cable and MotoPower website, this scanner is perfect for professional auto shops and DIY enthusiasts. Engineered for cars, pickup trucks, SUVs, minivans, and sedans, this versatile reversing camera system works perfectly on old, new, or used vehicles. It operates on 12 to 24 volt DC power and comes with a 26 feet RCA video cable for seamless connectivity with radios, DVD players, OEM navigators, or any display with RCA inputs. Featuring 6 premium glass lenses and an upgraded chip for 100% true color reproduction, it delivers clear real-time video. With 10 built-in LED lights that automatically illuminate dark areas, you get excellent color images for safe reversing and driving. The camera is housed in a durable, high-density metal casing that's dustproof, shockproof, and waterproof. Plus, its adjustable angle and a 149-degree wide viewing angle reveal the true dimensions of your surroundings, helping to eliminate blind spots and making parking safer and simpler. Revitalize your vehicle's lighting with all-in-one lens restoration kit, designed for plastic headlights, taillights, fog lights, and more. This comprehensive kit includes a 3.25-inch disc pad holder, paired with a selection of premium 3M discs. Additionally, you'll find masking tape, light sanding discs, wax protectant, and extra accessories to perfect your finish. Utilizing advanced 3M abrasive technology, this kit efficiently removes yellowing and buildup without damaging the plastic lens surface. Whether you choose a no-tool application or opt to use your common household drill, achieving professional results is effortless and convenient. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Introducing the Fantic V8 Mate Car Vacuum, a compact, lightweight solution designed for precision cleaning in tight spaces. Weighing only 1.2 pounds, this cordless device is perfect for tackling stubborn dust, sand, and debris in every corner of your car, as well as on office desks or computer keyboards. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor delivering 30 goblet 12 kPa of suction, it easily lifts debris with 2 adjustable suction settings, a low gear for extended 30-minute use and a high gear for a focused 12-minute blast. The device charges quickly using the Type-C fast charging cable, reaching full power in just 2 hours. With a convenient marquee ring light indicating its working and charging status, and a one-click trash emptying feature for hassle-free cleaning, the Fantic V8 Mate is the ideal tool for detailed, on-the-go cleaning. Before applying the magnetic mount, ensure your installation surface is flat, not curved, and thoroughly cleaned and dried. Featuring 8 industrial-strength magnets, this magnetic car mount is designed to stay firmly in place without obstructing air vents or gathering dust on your dashboard or windshield. Despite its ultra-slim 0.19-inch profile, its powerful magnetism securely holds smartphones and mini tablets, making it an ideal accessory that complements your vehicle's interior with its stylish aluminum alloy design. Enjoy versatile viewing angles with 360-degree rotation, allowing you to mount your device in either portrait or landscape mode. No matter how much you adjust it, this mount remains steadfast against road vibrations and impacts. For added convenience, the kit includes 2 circular metal plates and 1 small metal plate to ensure your device attaches securely every time. Elevate your vehicle's interior with these premium car seat covers, designed to fit 5-passenger seating with ease. Crafted from high-quality faux leather, they offer a soft. The inner layer features thick, high-resilience sponge that provides exceptional comfort and maintains its shape under pressure, ensuring a smooth ride even on long trips. The non-slip silicone bottom guarantees that the seat cushion stays securely in place. These covers are engineered to work seamlessly with airbags, seat heaters, child seats, and seat belts without interference. The entire cushion boasts a unique 3D embroidery process, enhancing both protection for your original car seats and the overall luxury of your vehicle's interior, with an elegant diamond pattern. Perfect for anyone seeking both style and practicality, these car seat covers transform your driving experience while maintaining high safety standards. Experience top-tier dashcam technology with the Focusway D2 Duo, which records in 4K Ultra HD for the front and Full HD 1080p for the rear, capturing every detail with clarity. Its 170-degree wide-angle lens broadens your view, while the larger IPS HD screen provides vibrant live previews and playback. With smart voice control, you can operate it hands-free, and cutting-edge 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables faster previewing and sharing via the free app. Built-in GPS logs your speed, routes, and coordinates for later review. Safety features include collision detection, which captures a 30-second clip upon impact, and time-lapse mode for power conservation. Seamless loop recording overwrites older footage when memory is full, requiring a hardwire kit for parking mode. A built-in G sensor locks important recordings during impacts, and it supports micro SD cards up to 512 GB, with formatting recommended every 2 weeks for optimal performance. Upgrade your car care routine with the Torque Max Foam 8 Cannon, your ultimate pressure washer companion that unleashes a powerful stream of thick, clingy foam to blast away dirt and debris from every nook and cranny. This innovative cannon delivers an abundance of cleansing suds that adhere tightly to your vehicle's surface, gently lubricating paintwork and encapsulating stubborn particles to prevent scratches and swirls for a flawless finish. Built to last, the Max Foam 8 boasts robust solid brass components that resist corrosion and a patented threadlock system designed to extend the life of your bottles, ensuring consistent performance with every wash. Unlike harsher detailing shampoos that can strip wax or stain plastic and rubber, Honeydew Snow Foam is pH balanced and gentle on all exterior surfaces, offering the perfect blend of cleaning power and protection to keep your car looking its absolute best.